Okay, so may I audible? So can I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
good
sir.
afternoon to all the students. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon to all the students. Okay, in that last lecture we have seen regarding to the different types of taper turning methods we have seen in that last lecture, and in today's lecture we are going to move toward the next point, that is the lathe machine attachment. Okay, in today's lecture we will discuss regarding to the lathe machine attachments are there. Okay, and also in that last lecture, we have seen the one point, that is the lathe machine accessories is there. Okay, one more point we have seen in that last lecture, that is the lathe machine accessories, and in this today's lecture we will going to discuss regarding to the lathe machine attachment is there. Then I want to ask the question, then what is the difference between lathe machine attachment and lathe machine accessories? Then first of all, please try to understood the my question. What is the difference between lathe machine accessories and lathe machine attachments? Okay. First of all, we will understood the difference between lathe machine attachment and lathe machine accessories. Generally, we are knowing that lathe machine accessories we can use for to improve the efficiency of lathe machine. Okay, that lathe accessories we can use for improving the lathe machine efficiency. For increasing the lathe machine efficiency, we can use the lathe machine accessories are there. Okay, in that lathe machine accessories, we can use the such type of the devices. That devices are useful for holding and supporting the workpiece and lathe machine tool. Okay, generally in that lathe machine accessories, we can use the such type of the devices. That devices it will be helpful for supporting and holding the workpiece and lathe machine tool. Okay, it is called as the lathe machine accessories. Then what is meant by the lathe machine attachment? Yes, anybody having something about that lathe machine attachment? Yes. Okay. Now see here, what is meant by the lathe machine attachment? That lathe machine attachment means we have to, or that the function of that lathe machine attachment is, or that lathe machine attachment we can use for to perform the additional operation on lathe machine. Okay, we have to make a such type of the arrangement on that lathe machine. With the help of that arrangement, we can perform the additional operation on the lathe machine. We are knowing that which operation we can perform on the lathe machine. Generally, we can perform the turning operation, turning operation, facing operation, knurling operation, threading operation. Okay, such type of the only major operation we can perform on the lathe machine. Okay, suppose I want to perform the milling operation. Suppose I want to perform grinding operation on that lathe machine. Now, please tell me, it is possible to perform the milling operation on the lathe machine in general without any arrangement or without any attachment? Whether it is possible to perform the milling operation or grinding operation on the lathe machine? No, it is not possible to perform the milling operation on the lathe machine. To perform the milling operation, to perform the grinding operation, it is necessary to arrange one such type of the arrangement is required. Okay, one special type of arrangement is required on the lathe machine, and that special type of arrangement is called as the lathe machine attachment. And the function of that lathe machine attachment is to perform the additional operation on the lathe machine, except the whatever operation in general, whatever operation we are performing on that lathe machine. Okay, त्या lathe machine operation पेक्षा जर वेगळे ऑपरेशन आपल्याला करायचे असतील, okay, to perform the additional operation on the lathe machine, we can use or we can make such type of the arrangement on the lathe machine, and that special type of that such type of the arrangement we can additionally use on that lathe machine is called as the lathe machine attachment. Okay, when we are going to use the lathe machine attachment, then with the help of that attachment we can perform the milling operation, we can perform the grinding operation, we can perform the taper operation on that lathe machine. Okay, you have to understood the difference between lathe machine attachment and lathe machine accessories. Once again I will repeat, the lathe machine accessories is used for increasing the efficiency of lathe machine, and the lathe machine attachment is used to perform the additional operation on the lathe machine. Okay, we are knowing that. Okay, without using attachment, it is not possible to perform the milling operation. Whenever we want to perform the milling operation, whenever we want to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine, that time it is required to arrange, or it is required to use some special arrangement on the lathe machine, and that special arrangement is called as the lathe machine attachment. Okay, only that 2 point you have to remember, that lathe machine attachment is used to perform the additional operation on the lathe machine, and that lathe machine accessories we can use for the improving the efficiency of a lathe machine. Okay, now see here which type of lathe attachments are there. See, there are 5 type of lathe attachments are there. The first attachment we can make on the lathe machine is the grinding attachment. Okay, grinding attachment. Now say, without this attachment, it is possible to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine. Yes, anybody tell me that grinding operation is possible to perform on the lathe machine? Yes. Suppose I want to make grinding operation with the help of the lathe machine. Please tell me, it is possible to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine? Yes, anybody please? Yes. It is possible?
No.
No, it is not possible to perform the directly grinding operation on the lathe machine. Okay, when we want to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine, this attachment we have to provide on the lathe machine. जर मला ग्राइंडिंग ऑपरेशन लेथ मशीनवर करायचं असेल तर मला काय करावं लागेल? I want to make such type of the arrangement, or suppose I want to attach this attachment on the your lathe machine. With the help of this attachment means what? We can use special arrangement. Okay, we can make the special arrangement on the lathe machine, and with the help of that special arrangement we can perform the grinding operation. It is called as the grinding attachment. Okay, with the help of that grinding attachment, when we have performed, or when we have attached this grinding attachment on the lathe machine, that time we can perform the grinding operation. Simple. Okay, then next attachment we can use on the lathe machine is the relieving attachment. Then what is meant by that relieving attachment? This relieving attachment we can use in the tool room lathe machine. Whatever that lathe machine is present in the industry, in that tool room, okay, inside that tool room we can attach this attachment on your lathe machine, and the function of that attachment, the function of this attachment is to make the relieving angle, or to provide the relieving angle. Suppose everybody has knowing that milling cutter. Yes, everybody having that. Whether you have seen the milling cutter. Okay, I think everybody has knowing the milling cutter is there. Or suppose we have seen the drilling tool. Whether you have seen the drilling tools, whether you have seen the reamer, taps. Okay, on the such type of the devices, there are the flutes are provided. Flutes, you are knowing that flutes. Okay, this arrangement or such type of the flutes are provided on the drilling tools or that milling cutter. Or the function of that flutes is to remove the chips. Whatever chips are generated during the remove of the material, and that chips it will be move outside with the help of that flutes. Okay, whenever we want to generate, or whenever we want to provide the relieving angle to that flutes, okay, to provide the relieving angle to that flutes, we can use this attachment, that relieving attachment. Okay, and this grinding attachment we can use to provide the grinding operation, or to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine, we can use this attachment. Then turret attachment. What is meant by that turret attachment? Okay, the third type of attachment we can perform, or we can done on that lathe machine is the turret attachment. Turret attachment means, whether you have seen the turret lathe. Okay, in that turret lathe it can stop the hexagonal head is there. Okay, hexagonal head is there, and that hexagonal head, okay, we can hold the number of tools. Okay, we can hold the number of tools. Means on that one head we can hold, inside that one head we can hold the number of tools. Means in that whole in that head we can hold the drilling tool, we can hold the tapping, milling, okay, turning. Okay, such type of the number of tool we can hold. Okay, this attachment is called as the turret attachment. Then milling attachment. Suppose we want to perform the milling operation. Okay, generally to perform the milling operation, which machine we are going to use to performing the milling operation? Generally, which machine we are using? Yes,
milling machine.
Generally we are using the milling machine. Suppose in your workshop there is a milling machine is not there. Okay, in your workshop suppose the milling machine is not there, and suppose we want to perform the milling operation on any workpiece. Suppose we are having one cylindrical workpiece is there. Suppose this will be your cylindrical workpiece is there, and on that workpiece, suppose we want to perform the milling operation, or suppose we want to perform the keyway. Suppose I want to produce the keyway on this surface, and generally we are knowing that we can perform the keyway with the help of the milling machine, and that milling machine is not available in our workshop. Then we can perform, or that we can make milling attachment, okay, with the help of that milling attachment, or we can just provide that milling attachment to the lathe machine, and then with the help of that milling machine we can perform this such type of the milling operation on the lathe machine, okay. And the taper turning attachment, already this attachment we have studied in that last lecture, okay. These are the 5 attachments are used generally on the lathe machine. What are there? Grinding attachment, then relieving attachment, then turret attachment, milling attachment, and taper turning attachment, okay. That there are the 5 type of attachments are there, and with the help of that attachment, that all this additional operation, okay, this is the additional operation now. This grinding is not perform only the lathe machine, okay. Then relieving also it is not performing directly on the lathe machine. That milling, it is also not performing directly on the lathe machine, okay. To perform this additional operation, okay, to perform this additional operation with the help of the lathe machine, we can use that attachment, okay. Function of attachment is to perform the additional operation, okay. Now we will see one by one each attachments, okay. Now your first attachment is lathe machine attachment, is that is the grinding attachment is there. This is our first attachment, is the grinding attachment is there. What is the function of grinding? Sorry, what is mean by the grinding? Yes, what is mean by the grinding? Yes, anybody? What is mean by the grinding? Jadov?
To remove the unwanted surface.
Okay. See here, that grinding attachment means,
Smoothness.
yes. Okay. See here, our grinding attachment. Suppose we want to provide this grinding attachment on the lathe machine. मला काय करायचं आता lathe machine वर आपल्याला grinding operation perform करायचं. To perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine, we can generally use this grinding attachment. See here, that figure is visible to all. This figure is visible to all. This figure is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see this figure. Okay, to perform the grinding attachment, or to how to use that grinding attachment, simply whatever tool post are there in that lathe machine, whatever tool post is there on that lathe machine, generally that tool post first upon we have to remove from the lathe machine. Okay, we are knowing that on that lathe machine to hold the work, to hold the tool, okay, in that lathe machine to hold the tool, we are going to use the tool post is there. First upon we have to remove that tool post from the lathe machine, okay. And in the place of that tool post, directly we can fix this grinding attachment, okay. This is called as this whole unit is called as the grinding attachment is there. And in this attachment, or in this unit, it consists of the electrical motor is there. See, this is the electrical motor is there. This is the whole unit is there, this is the one whole unit is there. This whole unit is called as the grinding attachment is there. And that grinding attachment we can directly fix on the in the place of tool post. म्हणजे लेथ मशीनवर जी काय आपला टूल पोस्ट असणार आहे, तो आपण काय करायचं सुरुवातीला, फर्स्ट आपण वी हॅव टू रिमूव्ह द टूल पोस्ट फ्रॉम द लेथ मशीन, अँड इन द प्लेस ऑफ दॅट टूल पोस्ट वी हॅव टू फिक्स दिस होल attachment. That whole attachment is called as the grinding attachment is there. And in this attachment or in this unit, it consists of the electrical motor is there. See, just 1 minute. See, in this unit, this is the electrical motor is there. This is the electrical motor is there. Okay, and this is the grinding wheel is there. This is the grinding wheel is here. Okay, and this is your check is there, and in that check and in between the center of tailstock and in the check we have hold this workpiece is there. See, this is the workpiece is there. Okay, this is the workpiece is there. And now suppose we want to perform the grinding operation with the help of that grinding tool on the workpiece, then just we have to start the lathe machine so that your workpiece is going to start rotate. Okay, and this grinding wheel we can rotate with the help of that electrical motor, with the help of that electrical motor, or when your electrical motor is start that time. Okay, with the help of that electrical motor we can rotate this grinding wheel. Okay, and that grinding wheel, it will perform the grinding operation on your workpiece. Okay, now this attachment is called as the grinding attachment is there. Okay, whether understood how we can perform the grinding operation with the help of that grinding attachment on the lathe machine? Simply, first upon we have to remove the tool post from the lathe machine, and in the place of that tool post we have to attach this grinding attachment. Okay, and that in the grinding attachment it consists of, or this is the one unit is there, and this unit it consists of the electrical motor is there, and okay, grinding wheel is there. To rotation of that grinding wheel, or that grinding wheel is rotated with the help of that electrical wheel, and in between the check and that tailstock center we have to hold your workpiece, and we can perform the grinding operation on the your workpiece. Okay, understood how to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine? Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Yes. Whether all are understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is very simple. Na? It is very simple. Just we have to remove the tool post from the lathe machine, and instead of that tool post we have to attach this attachment. This attachment is called as the grinding attachment because it consists of the grinding wheel is there. And how the grinding wheel is rotated? With the help of that electrical supply, or with the help of that electrical motor, the power is given to the grinding wheel, and that grinding wheel is going to rotate. And here our workpiece is held in between that check and tailstock center. Okay, and with the help of that grinding tool we can perform the grinding operation. Okay, and this attachment is called as the grinding attachment is there. Simple. Okay, now see, the another attachment is milling attachment is there. Again, it is very simple attachment. Okay, milling attachment is there. Generally, suppose we want to perform the milling operation, like suppose we want to perform the face milling. Okay, suppose we want to perform the slot, and suppose we want to perform the any keyway on the any workpiece. Okay, and that all milling related operations, suppose we want to perform on the lathe machine. Okay, to perform the such type of the milling related operation on the lathe machine, we can use the milling attachment on the lathe machine. Okay, then how we have to make this milling attachment on the lathe machines here? Okay, see, this figure is visible to all. See here, this is the milling attachment we have provided on the lathe machine. Okay, see, this is the milling attachment is there. This whole attachment is called as the milling attachment, and that milling attachment we are mounted on the lathe machine. Okay, see here, that milling can be done on the lathe with the help of the milling attachment. Okay, that whatever milling operations are there, that all milling operation we can perform on the lathe machine with the help of this milling attachment is there. And where that milling attachment is mounted, here the attachment is mounted on the lathe across slide. Okay, that milling attachment is mounted on the lathe across side in the place of tool post. Okay, similar process. Okay, suppose we want to attach this milling attachment on the lathe machine. Similar process we have to follow. Whatever process we have to follow on that grinding attachment. First up on we have to remove the tool post, and in the place of that tool post, okay, in the place of that tool post we have to mount our that milling attachment. Okay, यामध्ये काय करायचं आपल्याला, जे काही आपला टूल पोस्ट आहे, टूल पोस्ट लेथ मशीनचा टूल पोस्ट सर्वप्रथम आपण काय करायचं, रिमूव्ह करून घ्यायचा आहे, and in the place of that tool post we have to attach this milling attachment is there. Okay, and see here, in this milling attachment, see here, see, in this milling attachment, it consists of one slides is there. See this portion, whatever that portion you are looking, this portion is called as the slide is there, slide, and here one wheel is provided, whether it is observing or whether it is looking visible, whether it is visible, this wheel.
Yes,
This whole device is called as the milling attachment is there. Okay, this whole device is called as the milling attachment, and that milling attachment we have mounted in the place of tool post, and in that milling attachment it consists of one slide is there. See, this is, if you are observing or it is visible, you have to see one slide is provided. Okay, one slide is provided in this milling attachment, and at the top of this slide, it consists of one rotating wheel is there. Okay, and here say, here we can hold your workpiece. Whatever workpiece is there, that workpiece we can hold here, and with the help of that slide or with the help of that feel of your slide, when that feel is rotating, okay, when this feel of that slide is rotating, that time your workpiece is going to move in vertical direction. It will move in up and down position. Suppose we want to move the workpiece in vertical direction out. Suppose we want to move your workpiece in upward, and suppose we want to move that workpiece in downward with the help of this hand wheel of that slide. With the help of this hand wheel of your slide, this is slide is there, and with the help of that hand wheel we can move the workpiece up and down here vertical. We can give the vertical direction to your workpiece with the help of this slide and with the help of this hand wheel. And here we have provided one provision, and with the help of this we can hold your workpiece here. Okay, here we can also provide one type of the check, and here we can hold your workpieces there, and whatever checks of your lathe machine is there, and inside that check we can hold a cutting tool also. Okay, suppose we want to make a slot on that lathe machine. Okay, that time we can hold a workpiece in this attachment, and we can hold the cutter in this check, and with the help of this attachment we can perform the keyway on that workpiece. Okay, understood? काय करायचं ह्याच्यामध्ये सिंपल. Okay, whatever tool post of that lathe machine is there, first up on we have to remove that tool post from the lathe machine. Okay, then next point, instead of or in the place of that tool post we have to attach or we have to mount this whole attachment. We can mount that milling attachment is there. Then third point, in that milling attachment it consists of the one slide is there. Here one slide is provided, and with the help of that slide we can move the workpiece in upward and downward direction. We can move your attachment, or we can move that attachment, or we can move that workpiece in upward direction and downward direction with the help of this hand wheel and slide. And okay, and in that attachment, next point, in this attachment it one provision is provided. Okay, with the help of this we can hold your workpiece, or we can hold a tool also in this devices. Okay, and suppose we want to provide, or suppose we want to make any keyway on a long workpiece, that time we can hold a workpiece in this device, and also we can hold a cutter in this check of your lathe machine, and then we can perform the keyway or slot or milling operation on this workpiece. Okay, this is the such type of the attachment is called as the milling attachment, and that milling attachment we can mount on the lathe machine, and with the help of that milling attachment, with the help of this milling attachment on the lathe machine, we can perform face milling operation, we can perform the sorting operation, we can perform the keyway operation with the help of this attachment. Okay, without using the milling machine, with the help of this attachment and with the help of the lathe machine, we can perform this all the operation. Okay, understood? समजले का सर्वांना याच्यामध्ये? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, simple one attachment is there. Okay, in that attachment one slide is also provided. With the help of this slide we can move this attachment in upward direction and downward direction. Means we can give the height to that workpiece, and that workpiece or tool we can mount or we can hold with the help of this attachment. And okay, जर समजा आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये वर्कपीस होल्ड केला ह्या अटॅचमेंट मध्ये, तर त्यावेळेस आपण काय करणार आहे, टूल ह्या चेक मध्ये करणार आहे. जर आपण चेक मध्ये जर वर्कपीस होल्ड केला तर ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करणार आहे, टूल होल्ड करणार आहे. ओके, दॅट मिलिंग टूल्स, कटर आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये होल्ड करणार आहे. ओके, अँड देन वी कॅन परफॉर्म द फेस मिलिंग, स्लॉटिंग अँड कीवे operation on your workpiece with the help of your milling attachment. Okay, I will also show the animation so that you will understand better. Okay, just 1 minute, please show the animation. Okay, see, this is the grinding attachment is there. See, this is the grinding attachment. Okay, please see the grinding attachment. How that grinding attachment is done here. Just 1 minute. See, this is the tool post. See here, this is the tool post is there. First upon we have to remove this tool post, and in the place of the tool post, okay, in the place of that tool post, we have to hold the grinding unit or grinding attachment. See here. This is the tool post is there. First upon we have to remove this tool post from the lathe machine, and in the place of that tool post, we have to mount the grinding attachment. See, that tool post is removed from the lathe machine, and then this grinding attachment is this. Grinding attachment is here. This is called as the grinding attachment unit is there. It consists of the electrical motor is there. Then it consists of the grinding wheel is there, and now that whole unit we have mounted on your lathe machine in the place of the tool post. This is your workpiece is there. Okay, now this grinding attachment we have fixed on the lathe machine in the place of tool post. Okay, and now in this manner, okay, in this way we can perform the grinding operation on your workpiece. See here, with the help of this grinding attachment. With the help of that grinding attachment, it means that without this attachment, okay, without this grinding attachment, it is not possible to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine. It means that we want to perform the additional operation with the help of this attachment on your lathe machine. We are performing the additional grinding operation. Grinding operation is the additional operation we are performing on the lathe machine with the help of this attachment. This is the function of your attachment. Okay, understood? Yes? Understood? Please, anyone please give the reply. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So also we are having that next animation regarding to that milling attachment. Okay, we will also see the milling attachment animation so that you will understood better. Just 1 minute. See here, this is the tool post. We have to remove that tool post. Okay, and see, this is the attachment. This is the milling attachment. Is there? This is the milling attachment we have provided on the cross slide in the place of your tool post. Okay, see. Okay, this is the milling attachment is there. Okay, see here. Okay, here we can hold your workpiece, or we can hold tool also here. Okay, simple, we can hold here, workpiece is here, and okay, here, see, this is the one, slider is also provided here. Slide is provided. With the help of this slide, we can move this. See, this is okay. With the help of this slide, with the help of this slide, we can, or sorry, I think this is the this is the for clamping the workpiece. This is the used for clamping the workpiece, and with the help of this slide, this is the hand wheel of your slide is there, and with the help of this hand wheel of your slide, we can move this attachment in upward direction and downward direction. Can you see here? Okay, see here. Here we can fix, or we can hold your workpiece. See here, we can move upward and downward direction of. With the help of this slide, we can move this whole attachment in upward and downward, and also we can give the cross feed with the help of the cross slide. Okay, and also we can give this direction. We can move the see here, we can give the cross movement to that attachment with the help of your cross slide, and we can give the longitudinal movement to that attachment with the help of carriage. समझते क्या? Okay, suppose we want to move this attachment in crosswise. Okay, that time we can rotate the hand wheel of your cross slide, and suppose we want to move this attachment in longitudinal direction, that time we have to rotate the hand wheel of your carriage. And suppose we want to move this whole attachment in upward and downward direction, that time we have to rotate the hand wheel of your slide. Okay, this is the hand wheel of your slide. Inside this, here one slide is provided, means rotating screw is provided. Okay, with the help of that rotating screw, that whole attachment is going to move upward and downward direction. Whether now it is clear? Yes, it is clear. The working and construction of that milling attachment. See, once again I will repeat, this whole portion is called as the milling attachment, and that milling attachment we have mounted on your cross slide. Okay, in the place of tool post. Okay, in that milling attachment, it consists of one slide is there. Here, this portion is called as the slide, means generally one rotating screw is provided inside that, and at the top of this slide we have provided one hand wheel, and with the help of that hand wheel, when the hand wheel of that slide we are rotating, that time your whole attachment is going to move upward and downward direction. Here we are providing one provision or picture. With the help of this picture, we can fix our workpieces there. And suppose we want to give the cross movement to that attachment, that time I have to rotate the hand wheel of your cross slide. And suppose we want to give the longitudinal movement to this attachment, that time we have to rotate the hand wheel of your carriage. Okay, in this manner we can use the milling attachment to perform the milling operation like slotting, keyway, and face milling. Okay, now understood the milling attachment? Any problem, any doubt is there regarding to that milling attachment?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
we will. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to move toward the next attachment, that is the turret attachment. Okay. Turret attachment means what? Instead of that tool post, in the tool post of lathe machine, generally we can, at a time we can use the one tool is there. Okay. And suppose instead of that tool post in that lathe machine, suppose we have used the turret head. In that turret head, it consists of we can hold number of tools are there. Say, at a time we can hold the 6 tool on that turret head. This is the hexagonal turret head is there, and in that lathe machine, instead of your tool post, we can directly mount this hexagonal turret head on the lathe machine in the place of your tool post, and we can perform the different operations on your workpiece. Okay. we can perform the shear with the help of that hexagonal turret head. When that hexagonal turret head we have to mount it on your lathe machine, and suppose that time we can perform drilling operation, we can perform the reaming operation, we can perform the tapping operation, countersinking operation, threading operation. Okay, such type of the tool we can hold at a time on this turret head, and now such type of the operation also we can perform on the workpiece with the help of that hexagonal turret head. Okay, this hexagonal turret head we can directly mount on your lathe machine tool post instead of your lathe machine tool post, and we can perform the different types of operations. Okay. ओके, म्हणजे हे ऍडिशनल आपण ह्याच्यावर लेथ मशीनवर टरेट हेड वापरून हे वेगवेगळे ऑपरेशन आपण करू शकतो. फिर इट इज यूज जनरली दिस टरेट अटॅचमेंट इज यूज टू इनक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन. Okay, increase the production, and it is mounted on the bed. Sorry, it is not mounted on the tool instead of the tool post. It is mounted on the bed of your lathe machine. Okay, you have to remember that turret attachment we can mount on the lathe machine bed is here. Okay, that point you have to remember, because in that milling attachment and in the grinding attachment we are going to remove the tool post, and here directly we can mount the turret attachment on your lathe machine bed base. Okay, on that bed base we can mount this hexagonal turret head. Okay, and that hexagonal turret head is used for holding the many types of tools like drilling, reaming, tapping, countersinking, threading. All type of the tool we can hold on that hexagonal turret head, and then it means that the such type of the all operation we can perform on the lathe machine. And generally this attachment is done, or generally this attachment we can use to increase the production, or generally for the mass production we can use this attachment. Okay, and now I think last one attachment is remaining, that is the relieving attachment. Relieving attachment means this attachment is used for making the relieving of internal and external end of milling cutter. Okay, already I have explained. We are knowing that milling cutter, then drilling tool, reamer, tapping tool is there. Okay, for such type of the tool we are going to provide the flutes are there. Flutes. What is the function of flutes? That flutes we can use for removing the chips. Through that flutes, our whatever during the removing of the material, whatever chips are generated, that chips we can move away through that flutes, and whatever the angle is required on that flutes, it is called as the relieving angles, and that relieving angle we can provide it with the help of this relieving attachment. And that generally that relieving attachment we can use in tool room shop. Okay, whatever lathe machine is there in that tool room shop, lathe machine we can use this relieving attachment. Or simple, we have to remember that relieving attachment we can use for making the relieving angle on the cutter on the drilling tool like this. Okay, see here, and in this attachment, okay, in this attachment, suppose this is your workpiece is there, and here tool is mounted on that tool post, and in this attachment the motion is given to that tool post is oscillatory motion is provided. म्हणजे या अटॅचमेंट मध्ये टूलला कुठली मोशन देणार आहोत? ऑसिलेटरी मोशन देणार आहोत विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द कॅम. म्हणजे टूल इथं ऑसिलेटरी होणार आहे, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट ऑसिलेटरी मोशन we can provide the relieving angle to the cutter, then reamer, then drilling tool. Okay, and such type of the attachment we can generally use in the tool room shop. Okay, these are the types of attachment we can use in the lathe machine. Okay, understood? Once again I will repeat which type of the attachment we can use. Generally we can use the grinding attachment, then we can use the milling attachment, then we can use the relieving attachment, and then we can use the turret attachment on the lathe machine. Attachment means what? Attachment means the arrangement,
Additional operation.
extra arrangement. Okay, extra arrangement is provided on the lathe machine so that we can perform the extra operation. Okay, means suppose we are not having the milling machine in our workshop. Suppose we are not having the milling machine in a workshop, that time that whatever milling operations are there, then such type of the milling operation also we can perform with the help of the lathe machine, but we have to require to arrange the milling attachment is there. Okay, suppose we want to perform the grinding operation on the lathe machine, that time we can use this grinding attachment. Okay, this arrangement is called as the attachments. Okay, such type of the attachment we can perform on the lathe machine. Okay.